तेरी आंखों की नमकीन मस्तियां, तेरी हंसी की बेपरवाह गुस्ताखियां, तेरी जुल्फों की लहराती अंगड़ाइयां नहीं भूलूंगा मैं जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान। बारिशों में बेधड़क तेरे नाचने से, बाग बाग पे बेवजह तेरे रूठ जाने से, तेरी छोटी छोटी बचकानी बदमाशियों से मोहब्बत करूंगा मैं जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान। मेरे ख्वाबों में आके मुझे सताने से, मेरी नींदों में आके मुझे जगाने से, हर वक्त मेरे ख्यालों में आने से बेपनाह इश्क करूंगा मैं जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान। And ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor and immense pleasure for me to introduce to you someone who's a friend, who's the strength behind this family, इस पूरे परिवार की ताकत, हमारी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त, अपने और हमारे बच्चों की मेंटोर, charitable and beautiful. Please give it up for Mrs. Neeta Ambani. और नीता जी के लिए मैं एक बात कहूंगा कि इस दिल में हमेशा हमेशा आपके लिए इज्जत रहेगी जब तक है खान, जब तक है खान, जब तक है खान। और मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा वो इज्जत इसलिए है कि ना ही इन्होंने अपने बच्चों की परवरिश की है जैसी की है, तीनों के तीनों बहुत होनहार और खूबसूरत हैं, लेकिन मेरे जैसे जो फादर हैं, हमारी जो बीवी हैं, हमारे बच्चों को जिस तरह से इन्होंने हम अपने स्कूल में पढ़ाया है, बढ़ाया है और इतने अच्छे बच्चे बने हैं, अगर मेरे इन्फ्लुएंस में रहते तो बहुत खराब हो जाते। So thank you, Neeta. Her charitable causes, the love she says, and the beauty and the smile with which she does everything, whether it is to face hardships or goodness and celebrations. I thank you for that. और मेरा जो छोटा बेटा है, उसका एडमिशन फॉर्म मैंने भर दिया है, तो वो मैं शो के बाद आपको दे दूंगा। प्लीज उसको किंडरगार्टन में ले लीजिएगा। Ladies and gentlemen, for my friend, the one and only Neeta Ambani. And I will not stand here because when she speaks in her school, everybody calls her Neeta ma'am और बहुत अच्छी अच्छी बातें हमें करती हैं। तो मैं चाहूँगा कि जो जियो का परिवार है, आज उनके मुंह से यहाँ पर वो सारी अच्छी बातें सुने। Thank you very much for being you, Neeta. God bless you. Bless you. Thank you very much, sir.
Namaskar to my Reliance family on this historic occasion. Namaskar. I hope you're all having a good time. I am. Jio is not just 2G, 3G, or 4G. It is Jio Life. It's an ecosystem that will prepare India for a digital world. As a teacher, I understand the importance of technology for our future generations, especially the role it can play in improving education. Today, the teacher in me feels very happy. As a woman, I feel proud that Jio will open many opportunities for women, not only at Reliance, but also in the Indian economy. As a mother, I take pride not only in what my children, Akash and Isha, have achieved, but I'm also happy for all the mothers and how their children will be able to contribute and help in building a stronger and better India. As a wife, I'm very happy that Reliance is getting into a service that brings families, communities, and people together. My heartiest congratulations to everyone at Jio. This has been a fantastic year for Reliance Foundation. Our school, the Dhirubhai Ambani International School, has been ranked the #1 international school in India for the 3rd year in a row. Mumbai Indians has won the IPL trophy for the 2nd time this year. And our hospital continues to provide international health care at affordable prices based on our value, patient first. I congratulate all our team members for these marvelous achievements. Reliance Foundation today impacts the lives of 4 million people across India. Reliance Foundation will use the power of Jio to transform healthcare, education, and rural India in the next coming years. Using the Jio platform, we can remove the divide between rural Bharat and urban India and enhance our Bharat India Jodo movement. I look forward to seeing Jio empower millions of Indians to lead a better, fuller, and connected lives. A life lived with compassion and responsibility. Because Jio, life is beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Ambani.
Thank you, Mom. That's what Akash actually meant. Mama, you must understand that it is still extremely difficult for a child to find a language to express their gratitude to their mother.
I think a hug is in order.
Our mother has drilled into us that quality education and healthcare can and will change the destiny of India and her people.
And we will do that with Jio.
On a lighter note, let me tell you that my mother over here has been taking mental notes all through the program about everything that's gone wrong. And as soon as we go backstage, she's going to tell us, Isha, Akash, this is what went wrong. Next time, do it better. And Akash, especially you, for calling her Mrs. Ambani.
Today is a proud day for any mother to see her children take flight on their own. Wishing Akash and Isha and everyone at Jio all the very best and God bless.